Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and here's the problem of the day. Read the top and dial for each micropipette and record which volume is shown below. So here it is not 92 microliters because this micropipette P1000 can measure volume between 200 and 1000 microliters. So 92 here stands for 920 microliters. Next one, 137 is actually not 137 microliters because this pipette only can measure between 2 and 20 microliters. So you have to understand that here we have a decimal point. So this measurement actually is 13.7 microliters. With next pipette P200 we can work with volumes between 20 and 200 microliters. So 22 here within this range. So 22 here means 22 microliters. Now let's take a look here. It is not 45 microliters because this micropipette only can measure between 2 and 20 microliters. So we cannot measure no below this, no above this measurements. So this means 4.5 microliters. 4.5 microliters. Next one, P1000. We can work with volumes between 200 and 1000 microliters. And here is a maximum what we can get here. And this is not 100 microliters, it is 1000 microliters. So 1000 microliters here. We also can say that we can put a decimal point here. In other words, 1000 microliters we can represent as 1 milliliter. And the last micropipette P200, we can work with volumes between 20 and 200 microliters. So we read this as 168 microliters because it is within this range. 168 microliters. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.